With over 20 years of experience, we're a trusted manufacturer of high-quality cable assemblies and wiring harnesses, certified to ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. We deliver custom solutions that power industries like electronics, medical devices, automotive and aerospace. From LVDS and micro-coaxial to waterproof and molded cables, our products feature top connectors from Molex, JST, Tyco and more. With fine pitch options down to 0. With over 20 years of experience, we're a trusted manufacturer of high-quality cable assemblies and wiring harnesses, certified to ISO 9001, IATF 16949 and ISO 13485. We deliver custom solutions that power industries like electronics, medical devices, automotive and aerospace. From LVD